you can join me from the comfort of your home. Wherever you are in the world, you can join me from your garden, from your courtyard, from your terrace, and we can practice together. Welcome to the virtual movement retreat. I would like to invite you on the journey of the movement retreat. We're gonna flow together for 5 days from Monday to Friday, 1 hour a day. And we are going to flow through yoga practice, Pilates, Barre, yoga dance. We're going to incorporate breathing techniques to strengthen our lungs. We're going to incorporate meditations. You can have a time of your life while you're at home or in your garden. So you can practice from anywhere in the world in the comfort of your home. And you can look after yourself, the body and the mind. I hope you can join me on this journey. I will see you soon. Namaste.
Retreat from the comfort of your home. Join us for 5 days. See you soon.